Tired of messy tools? Check out these coolest tool organizers that keep everything in place and easy to find. From magnetic tool holders to compact toolboxes, these organizers keep your gear neat and easy to grab, no more wasting time searching for what you need. Looking for a tool that combines precision and power? Meet the UltraFix driver, your go-to solution for tough, everyday tasks. With its ergonomic design and high-torque performance, the UltraFix driver makes even the most stubborn screws a breeze to handle. Its versatile design lets you swap out bits quickly, so you're always ready for whatever project comes your way. Compact, efficient, and built to last, add the UltraFix driver to your toolbox today. Ready to get the job done? The RAK magnetic tool accessory contains 10 powerful magnets embedded in the wristband for holding screws, nails, bolts, washers, and drill bits with ease. This magnetic screw holder is great for home improvement, construction, carpentry, auto repair, and other DIY projects. Just strap it to the wrist, a belt, or hang it above the workbench. Our magnetic wristband for holding screws and other small gadgets has an adjustable strap with breathable mesh for comfortable wear while working. All RAK magnet wristbands for men and women are made to work alongside any mechanic, carpenter, or handy person. The TSTAK shallow drawers have 2 drawers to store your small bits and products needed to complete your projects. Stack other TSTAK components with the TSTAK drawers and customize your storage needs while on the go. The DeWalt Stack system is a flexible platform of storage units. These units can be stacked on each other in a variety of configurations. The magnetic tool holster, a handy gadget that allows you to carry various metal objects, such as a hammer, screwdriver, nails or screws, even your phone, etc. The belt magnetic tool holder made of high-quality materials, and after our many tests, the strong magnetic tool belt clip also can catch most heavy-duty metal tools. The magnet belt clip is designed to help to free your hands and work faster. The Little Giant cargo hold lets you take everything you need to get the job done with you where you really need it. No more climbing up and down the ladder to get a tool or a handful of nails. The cargo hold features 2 easy-access pouches for tools or materials, a hammer or tool sling, and several elastic tool slots. The cargo hold will work on any Little Giant multi-use or articulating ladder rung, and it folds and stores neatly inside any Little Giant multi-use ladder. The cargo hold stores conveniently between the top 2 rungs of your Little Giant ladder system. And if you want, save time and make it a permanent part of your Little Giant ladder system. The Tough System DS300 large case is ideal for use on the job site. Constructed with durable 4mm structural foam walls and an integrated water seal, this tool case helps protect contents in the toughest conditions. Durable metal latches on the front of the unit help resist rust and ensure tool case longevity. A padlock eye on the lid helps keep contents safe. Padlock not included. Latches on the side of the unit are compatible when stacking with other Tough System toolboxes and organizers. A bi-material handle grip allows comfortable carrying around the job site. Are all your sockets in one spot but unorganized, therefore wasting your valuable time searching for the right one? Maybe you've just lost them? Whatever your situation, you do not have to be unprepared. The UlsaTools 1/2" drive aluminum socket rail system holds up to 16 sockets so that you never lose your sockets again. Introducing the Hexorg 16-in-1 Outdoor Toolkit, your all-in-one solution for outdoor adventures, camping, and DIY projects. With 16 essential tools packed into one compact kit, you've got everything you need to tackle almost any outdoor challenge. From wrenches to bottle openers, screwdrivers to saws, this tool has you covered for both big tasks and small fixes. Compact, durable, and ready for action, how would you use the Hexorg 16-in-1 Outdoor Toolkit? Let us know in the comments.